How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, till exercise 2.3 we learned, isn't it children? Today we are going to see mathematics chapter 2, 2.4, and see in 2.6 only 2 word problems are there. So what I am going to do, 2.4 and 2.6 together I am going to teach you. Okay children? Children, you have to practice at home. Don't be free. Always you have to work out the sum so that it will be very easy for you. Today we will see the words, the word problems, subtraction word problems. Before we saw addition word problems, today we are going to see subtraction word problems. Okay. I'll read out, all of you listen children. A farmer packed 7,500 oranges. Out of these, 859 oranges got spoiled. Spoiled means what children? Kettu poichu will say, isn't it? And had to be thrown away. How many oranges were left with the farmer? So total how many oranges farmer has children? 7,500, and in that one 859 oranges got spoiled. So what are the, how many oranges are left with the farmer we have to find out. So what we have to do children first? First we have to see number of oranges. See for number what I said children, you can put short form like this. Okay children, number of oranges farmer packed. Number of oranges farmer packed, how many children? See what I said, a straight line should be there so that it will be very easy for you. So 7,500. Okay. In that one, number of oranges got spoiled. Got spoiled. How many oranges children? 859. See here 3 digit and here 4 digit. So what you have to do? You have to write from here means what will come? 958. So you should not write any number here. So understood children? I will write this here. 958. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. You have to subtract. Subtract what you have to do? Yes. Here from 9 can you count up to 0 children? No, it's smaller number. So you have to the what previous number. The previous number also 0. So what you have to do children? You have to borrow from 5. You have to borrow from the previous number. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. And now what you have to do children? From this 10 you can borrow. Isn't it children? Yes. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Okay. So after 9, 10 means what number children? 1. And from 5 you count up to 9. After 5 means 6, 7, 8, 9. What will come? 4. And from 8 can you count up to 4 children? No, it's smaller than 8. Smaller than 8. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number. So the 7 will become 6 and this 4 will become 14. So after 8 you count up to 14 children. After 8 means what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what number? 6. And now here 6. Here no number. So what's the answer children? 6,641. So what's the answer? 6,641. So we will write the answer. So answer you have to write like this. Therefore 6,641 oranges were left with the farmer. So how many good oranges were there, children? 6,641 oranges were left with the farmer. Understood, children? Okay, are you thorough in the first sum? Okay, we'll move on to the second sum. Okay, children? Yes, second sum I will read out. Listen carefully. The total cost of a television set and a mobile phone. See, two things are there. The total cost of a television set and a mobile phone is rupees what? 55,990. Okay, the both set what? Total amount is 55,990. If the cost of the mobile phone is rupees 17,897 means what you have to find out the cost of the television set. Okay, children, see the both things with total amount is this much. So if the mobile phone is rupees 17,897 means you have to find the cost of the television set. Okay, children, we will find out. The total cost of a television set and a mobile phone. How much, children? 55,990. So rupees 55,000. Leave some gap and write so that when you subtract it will be neat. Okay, children? Okay, now the cost of the mobile phone is the cost of the mobile phone. Cost of the mobile phone. How much rupees, children? Rupees 17,897. 17,897. So we have to find the cost of the television set. So what you have to do, children? You have to subtract. So from 7 you can't subtract till 0. It's a smaller number. So what you have to do, children? You have to see the previous number. So previous number 9 you have to borrow. So 9 will become 8 and 10 will turn to 10. 0 will become 10. After 7 if you count up to 10 means what number, children? 8, 9, 10. So 3 will come. So here 9 is there, here 8 is there. Is 8 is smaller than 9. So you can't subtract. So what you have to do, children? Again you have to borrow from the previous number. So previous number is 9. This 9 will become 8 and this 8 will become 18. So now you can subtract. So from 9 you count up to 18 after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what, children? 9. So you have to write 9. And here also 8, here also 8. So 8 minus 8, what, children? 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So here again, here 7 bigger number and 5 is smaller number. So what you have to do, children? You have to borrow from the previous. You should not borrow from, see, many of them will do 5 minus 7 like this and they will put 2. No, the sum will be wrong. Don't do it like that. Okay, children? For always you have to borrow from the, you have to minus from the downs. Otherwise what you have to do, you have to keep this in mind and then you have to subtract. So what you have to do, this 5 will become 4 and this 5 will become 15. So from 7 you count up to 15 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what's the answer? 8. And after 1 you count up to 4 after 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. So what's the answer, children? 38,093. 38,093. So the cost of the television set is what, children? The cost of the television set. Therefore, the cost of the television set Television set is rupees 38,093. 38,093. Understood, children? Okay, I think you all have understood this sum. We will move on to the third sum. This little different, so listen carefully, children. Granny makes necklaces for Kirti store. She has 6,848 beads. So total beads how much, children? 6,848. From this beads, out of these 3,752 are red color beads and 1,089 are green beads and the rest are yellow. So we have to find out how many yellow beads does she have. Okay, children. First step, what we are going to do is we are going to add. So this is different types of methods are there, but for your easy understanding, I am going to teach first addition, and then if you do subtraction means we can find out how many yellow beads are there. Okay, children. So don't think in book it's different. No need. It's the easy way, so I am teaching you. Okay, children. So step number 1. So first red beads, number of red beads, how much is there, children? Number of red beads. Number of red beads. How much is it? 3,752. Okay. And number of green beads. Number of green beads. So number of green beads how much? 1,089. 1,089. So what can we do, children? First we can add this, both the beads, red and green beads. So first we can add. If we add means what answer comes, we'll see. Okay, children. So 9 plus 2, 11. And 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, children. 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 we have to write here and 1 carry over. So 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. So total red and green beads total how many is there, children? Total how many beads are there? 4,841. Now what can we do? See, total number of beads, how much she has, children, in the store? 6,848. From this total beads, we can subtract this both beads. So if you subtract means we will get the yellow beads. Okay, children. So step number 2. Step number 2. If you write step number 2 only, it will be easy. Okay, children. Step number 2. Okay. So total number of beads. Total number of beads. Total number of beads, how much is there, children? Total number of beads, 6,848. 6,848. And now here what you can write? Number of red and green beads. Total number of red and green beads. Okay? Total number of red and green beads. If you don't have place means you can write here. Okay, children? Total number of red and green beads, because we have the equal sign should be straight. Equal sign should be straight. So what, children? Total number of green and red beads, 4,841. So this one, what you have to do? You should not add, children. Listen carefully. What you have to do? You have to subtract. If you subtract, after 1 you count up to 8 means what will come? 7. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. So total how many beads are there? Yellow beads are there, children? 2007. So answer we can write here. Answer 2007. 2007 She has 2007 yellow beads. Understood, children? Once again I will explain you, children. See, number of red beads 3752, number of green beads 1089. These both beads, what you have to do, children? You have to add. From addition, then what you now what this both the beads total is 4841, and now what you have to do? We have to subtract from the total number of beads what she has. So total number of beads how much she has, children? 6848, and then we have to subtract this number here so that we can find out the yellow beads. We have to find out the yellow beads. So how many yellow beads are there, children? 2007. It's an easy way of doing this sum. Okay, children? Can we see the fourth sum? Okay, children? Now we'll see the fourth sum. On Monday, 2,523 men, women and children visited the Science Museum. There were 845 men, 639 women, and the rest were children. As we saw in the previous sum, no, likewise we are going to do. Find the number of children who visited the Science Museum. So the number of people, see who all visited, men they have given, women also they have given, but they didn't give the how many children visited the Science Museum. So we have to find out how many children visited the Science Museum. Okay, children, first we will see step number 1. Step number 1. Okay, so number of men. Number of men, how much, children? 845. 845. And number of women? So number of women, how much? So number of women, children? 639. 639. So what we have to do, children? We have to add or subtract, children. First what we are going to do? We have to add. We are going to add. So if we add means what's the number we see? 5 plus 9, 5 in the mind, 9 in the finger. What answer will come, children? After 5, 6, 7, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. 4 and carry over 1 here. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. And 8 plus 6, 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So altogether men and women how many, children? Total men and women. Men and women how many? 1484. 1484. Okay, children, this is total men and women. Total men and women. Now what you have to do? We have to find out how many children are there. So what you have to do, children? We have to subtract from the total members. What you have to do? So total, step number 2. Step number 2. So total people, total people, how much, children? Can you have any guess? You have to see how much? 2523. 2523. And from this total, what you have to do? We are going to subtract the total men and women. So total men and women, how many, children? 1484. Men and women. 1484. So what you have to do, children? We have to add or subtract? We have to subtract. So from 4 you can't subtract. So what you have to do, children? You have to Borrow from the previous number. So previous number is 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. Okay children. So 13 it will come. So after 4 if you count up to 13, what will come after 4? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what answer? 9. And see here 1 is there, here 8 is there. Can you subtract children? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. So after 8 you count up to 11 children after 8. 9, 10, 11, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So what children? 1039. How many children visited the Science Museum? 1039. So what's the answer children? Therefore 1039 children visited the Science Museum. Understood children? The sum is little hard only, but if you go on working out at home, it will be very easy for you. First you have to add and then you have to subtract. Understood children? From the total amount you have to, total people you have to subtract. Only 4 sum children. What you can do? You can practice. No need to write the question. You can do this problem answers. You can write in the rough note so that it will be very easy for you. You can one time you can see and write, one time without seeing you can write, so that it will be very easy when you study for exam. Okay children, will you do and practice at home children? Okay, I think you all will be obeying my words. Okay children, thank you. We'll meet in the next class.